Do you have a test coming up on derivatives and keep getting stuck on these e-functions? Today, I'm going to show you a quick trick to solve without breaking a sweat. Let's get into it.
Hi everyone! Today we are going to find the derivative of an exponential function, which is we have e raised to 5x plus 3. This might look tricky because of the expression in the exponent, but we're going to break it down using a simple rule called the chain rule. But first, let's define what is an exponential function and the so-called chain rule. In mathematics, exponential function is a function where the variable appears in the exponent and has a constant base. When you see a function that the variable is in the exponent and has a constant base, that's the exponential function. While the chain rule states that the derivative of f of gx is equal to f prime of gx times the f prime of x. In other words, it helps us to differentiate the composite function. Now, let's go back to our main problem. The rule for any function e raised to u is simple. The derivative is just the original function e raised to u times the derivatives of that exponent, which is the u prime. In math terms, we have d over dx times the quantity of e raised to u is equals to e raised to u times the prime of du over dx. Now, this is our formula in solving e functions. Now, let's proceed to identifying the parts. Let's identify first each parts. Our base function is e raised to 5x plus 3. Our exponent, which we'll call u, is 5x plus 3. Moving on to the calculation or the inside derivative. Step 1. Find the derivative of that function. The derivative of 5x is 5, and the derivative of our constant number, which is 3, is 0. So, the derivative of our exponent is just 5. Always remember, when deriving a constant number is always equals to 0. Now, we just put the pieces together. We take our original function and multiply it to the derivative of our exponent, which is 5. And now we have this e raised to 5x plus 3 times 5. Clean it up by moving the 5 to the front. And our final answer is 5e raised to 5x plus 3. And that's it. Just remember, copy the function and multiply to the derivative of the top or the exponent. Now, it's your turn! Pause the video here and try to solve these two derivative problems using the rule we just learned. How did you do? Remember, you're just bringing the derivative of the top power to the front. I hope you enjoy and learn from the video. See you next time!